How to copy a game on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can copy a game on Roblox. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up a browser and then type in roblox.com, or you can also open up the Roblox application on your mobile device. And make sure that you're logged in with your Roblox account. After you're logged in, now head towards the search bar and then type in Uncopy locked and then search for it. Once you have searched for it, you will have all these games that you can copy in Roblox. Now, you have to go to that specific game that you would like to copy. Now, you can always go to its description, and once you're done, you can click on this three dots icon on this game and then click on Edit in Studio. Now, in order to do that, you have to download the Roblox Studio. If you have not downloaded yet, you can always download it by clicking on this Download Studio button, and then the studio will be downloaded in your device. Once downloaded, you can open it up and then you can edit this game over there according to your preferences, and you can play the game on your own. So that's the way to copy a game on Roblox, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.